So today was supposed to be a straightforward Porsche upgrade day. Get the previous system working, code the new parts for the job. JD, get job done. Except it's gone considerably wrong. So rather than waste a day, we're going to pivot and get a couple of jobs done and make it a Porsche 911 upgrade day anyway. I'm going to fit a new head unit. I'm not happy with the one I've got in it that I fitted not too long ago. I'm going to look at fitting the new steering wheel, and I'm going to put the Porsche Sports Control module in place, ready for coding when the time allows. We're waiting on some feedback from the supplier. He's in California, he's a few hours behind. Let's see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Never a wasted day at JM Garage. Okay, so trying to recover the day. First job, disconnect the battery, 10mm socket, off we go. Comes off nicely, put that to one side, off there. So I'm just going to release the negative terminal off of there, relieve him of his duties. Leave that in there. I've got a cloth in the hatch there so it can't close, because without the battery you ain't getting back in there without a fight. We'll try and avoid that. So like last time, just take off these side panels with these trim removal tools, and then it's 4 Torx 25s if I remember correctly. Radio comes out. We do need to put it into, I need to put it in reverse. We'll have to put the battery back on to put it back in reverse. I'll get this trim off and then we'll look at it. It comes off super easy. Nice. Keep them down there. Was it a Torx 25? It was indeed a Torx 25. Very good. I can't actually physically slide that out without it in reverse. Okay, so I'm going to put the battery back on, put it into reverse, take the battery off. What a chore. Not good. Okay, so that's the old new head unit. That's the new head unit. I think this one looks a little bit more OEM, slightly nicer. Oh, that's good. That's better than the old one. That's CarPlay, settings, connect CarPlay. Well, that's a nice screen in CarPlay. See if I've got some music on here. I've got no music out. That's not very good, is it? Not very good at all. It's so annoying. I really like that screen. See if I can figure something out. I don't think I can though. I've not got a connection to the amp. I don't see why it would work. That's annoying as. I think I'm going to put that head unit back in and have no sound. It is what it is, because it looks better. But I need to get the sound module. I'm not going to have the beep of the parking sensors, am I? Okay, I also came to fit another module which goes under here, which goes under this panel. If I can get this out. Today's not the day for this, given the way it's going. It comes out alright. Let's push it in. Let's see, it'll stay or come. It wants to come. That's going to be a good shot. Oh no, is it? Yeah, if it's in there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, let's check this guy's website, see what he says about this. What's his name? Rennmeister. Steering wheel. Not even fitting there, they're doing to me. Okay, first observation, I had to take this cover off to get this to clip on properly, because that male connector is seated too far back underneath this lip. So then I can put that back on, and that fits on okay, but I had to cut through the Chinese do not disturb tape. But I think that's okay. Okay, so what I'm doing here is, in preparation for the new steering wheel, which I'll show you in a second, it's got the sports control button. So this is a wiring adapter that sends the signal to that from the sports control button through the module into the original switch panel, which I have to take out. These things never come out easy, do they? A small pin you have to push down. So I'm guessing this one goes into this one somehow. Yeah. So on this new harness that came with the steering wheel and the sports control button, this is going to plug onto this. Let's go that way. Nope. That don't fit either. It's a totally different plug. What the f has this guy sent me, man? Nothing's working today. Nothing's working today. This is an absolute failure. Take a this guy. Unless we got some sort of adapter on it. No, this guy's that's supposed to fit in there. Sent me the wrong kit or something, you know. Alright, well, radio's not working. Switch control's not going to be updated because it's got the wrong plugs on it. I'm going to put my car back together. I don't have a working radio. I don't have a new steering wheel. I don't have a PWIS system working on my computer. Not every day's a win. Enjoy the good times while they last, because they don't last forever. Don't worry about the bad times, because they won't be here forever. There you go. Words and wisdom on a failure of a day. I'm going to put this back together. I'm going to drive home and I'm going to wash my car when I get there. I think that's what I need to do today. I'm not going to video that. Thank you for watching. Sorry for the failed attempt. Win some, you lose some. Not every day is a good day at JM Garage. You see that? But it is what it is, right? Thank you so much. I should point out that the car's in pieces, but it's quite interesting to see it all, I suppose. See what's going on. Gives me confidence to work on it. Everything comes off quite easily. I can give it a clean while I'm here. If I ever want to change this out, I suppose I've got the option. It's all good. We live and we learn. Isn't that the truth? That's the new head unit in. Looks quite OEM. It looks very OEM actually. This button looks weird because it's a SD card slot. So it's not actually a button, it's a flap. So it doesn't quite sit in line with the rest. But I'm happy with that. Car's back together. What have I achieved today? Got a radio that doesn't fully work. I've learnt a bit about the car. I think it might be a bit easier when I do come to do the steering wheel install. Got to take the head unit out again to make it play sound when the company sends me the right part. I need a different part from this other company, Renmeister, for the steering wheel control module. Thank you for watching. Enjoy yourselves.